Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be going through the diagnostic procedures on this Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. There are two different diagnostic cycles that this unit is capable of. There's an automatic diagnostic cycle, which you just basically start and the unit automatically advances, powering each individual component. Or you can also put it into a manual diagnostic, and that allows you to manually step through the energizing of each individual component. So what we're going to do first here is we're going to show you how to put it into an automatic diagnostic mode. And to do so, you're going to go ahead and press your on button, power the unit up. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the clean and on-off button. All your lights are going to begin to flash. And now you're basically within 5 seconds, if no button is pressed, it's going to go right into the automatic cycle. So at this point right now, we got that service light lit. To terminate the automatic diagnostic cycle, you just press and hold the on-off button. And then release it, and that will terminate the cycle. To enter the manual diagnostic mode, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and power the unit up, press and hold the on-off and clean cycle. Once the lights start flashing, go ahead and press your service button or the fast ice. That's going to give you all the lights lit up there. And now at this point, we're in the manual diagnostics. Once you've got the unit into the manual diagnostic test mode, you can now refer to your tech sheet to discern which individual component you'd like to test. And that will complete the repair on the Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.